What's up, family? It's Naj with Hip Hop Plants. We outside, technically in the garage, and I'm perspiring. Why is that? Cardio, which is what I want to talk to y'all about. I know a lot of you all can't stand cardio. You hate cardio, or you just can't get consistent with it. And there's a lot of reasons for that, but I want to get to the main ones and help you look at it in a different light. I actually touched on this in the last video that I just did, so you can check that one out. I might link in the description down below. I might not. Scroll through my videos and you'll see it. When we view cardio, we usually associate it with the Stairmaster, the treadmill, the elliptical machine. Those are cardio, but that's not all that cardio entails. Cardio can be going for a walk. Cardio can be doing something that you really enjoy doing, and that's usually what I recommend is find something that you like to do that's active and do that. Whatever hobbies you have or whatever hobbies that you've been wanting to get into, use those as your form of cardio. In the last video I talked about how I enjoy doing farmers walks, which is what I'm actually doing right now. I cleared the cars out the garage and I'm doing my farmers walks back and forth, right? I love throwing on some weight. I love getting my steps in that way because essentially it lets me also put on some muscle, right? It lets me get stronger. I'm not just walking with just my body weight. I'm taking 200, 300, 400 pounds, right? Every once in a while, 500 pounds, loading onto the bar and walking back and forth. That's making me stronger. That's making me more fit. That's building up my work capacity. So when I am training, when I am doing my movements, my deadlifts, right, my lat pull downs, like all the other movements, my squats, it has carryover to that. So it's not just getting cardio in, but it's also contributing to the other movements that I do consistently. And that's what I want you all to do. Figure out what it is that you can see yourself doing because you can see the advantages of it, or that you just like to do. Your cardio may be going swimming, right? Maybe you just love swimming and you're not doing it as much as you want to. Figure out what day that you can carve out a 30-minute, 45-minute period of time throughout the week where you can dedicate towards going to your local gym, or if you got a swimming pool in your backyard, and just swim, just have fun.
I won.
You slapped the hell out of me. Out the water.
Maybe you used to love jumping rope when you was a kid. Whatever y'all do, your double dutch thing, do that. Have a little meet up with your friends. Y'all do some jump, or do it by yourself. Grab yourself a jump rope every morning or every afternoon when you get off work. Dedicate 10 minutes, 15 minutes to just jump roping and do that consistently. Maybe you like boxing, maybe you like MMA. You want to get into that, right? Find your local MMA gym, a local boxing gym. Take some classes, get yourself a trainer, a coach that knows how to box well, and use that as your form of cardio. Do that once a week, twice a week. It can literally just be doing the things that you would normally do more manually. That's something else to talk about as well. As opposed to you going to the corner store or whatever, going to get whatever you're going to buy. Walk, right? Go for a walk. Walk there. Stop putting the keys in the car so much. I don't really watch TV or like Netflix or anything like that, but Raina just got me into this series, what's it, Reacher? A series called Reacher. We watched like 2 episodes of it. Maybe I'll buy both of us the stationary bike and we get on our stationary bike while we watch that episode. And that'll be our cardio pastime as opposed to just chilling on the couch, right? Or stand up and walk in place, march in place while you watching your favorite episodes. And this is a way of like merging habits, right? So you can do it consistently. So whatever you like to do, combine that cardio with that already. And then that'll be your way of doing it consistently. I enjoy listening to audiobooks. I enjoy listening to podcasts. I enjoy, just watching other videos from some of my favorite content creators and stuff like that. Throw those headphones in, get your session in, your cardio session in while you're listening to whatever you like. So that way you're not associating it with something that's taxing or something that's annoying or something that you just don't want to do, that you're dreading to do. You'll start to look forward to your cardio when you start associating it with something that you also like, right? It's a better way. It's called habit stacking. Try stuff. Just get out, try stuff. Type in activities in your local area and see which ones that you want to try. It don't have to be anything that you got to do consistently. You can try something new every week and let that be your form of cardio. We need to just shape our mind to view cardio as something other than what we normally think it is, because that's the reason why you're probably not doing it consistently. You're probably not doing your cardio consistently because you're associating it with something that's boring or something that you just don't have time for when you really do, if you just put it in, extra 10 minutes or so. So hopefully this inspired you a little bit to figure out other things that you can do to get your cardio in. Hopefully you come up with some good ideas, and hopefully you do it. You get consistent with it. I'm about to get back to my farmer's walks. Just took a little break to get this in. Drop a comment on what you're gonna start doing on a weekly basis for your cardio. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this with somebody that you think needs to hear this. I'll catch y'all next time.